Hello, welcome to chapter 12, lesson 2. We're going to be working on histograms. So we're going to scan the outline, scan the lesson, two headings that we'll be doing today. We will be interpreting data. Interpret data. We also learn how to construct a histogram. So the real world link. Fill in the tally, the column, and the frequency column on the frequency table. So we have 83, 87. That's going to be between 75 and 99, 99. 68, 54 is going to be here. 51, 53 is going to be here, and we're just making tallies. 62, 10. Okay, it's going to be there. 59, 58. 4. 47, 22 is here. 66, 5. 88 here. 50 is going to be there. And 68, 98. So after doing the tallies, I have 1, 7, and 2. What does each tally mark represent? 1 concert. What is one advantage of using the frequency table? You can easily tell how many concerts had an advantage. Average ticket price less than $50. What is one advantage of using the first table? You can identify specific average ticket prices. So the frequency table, we can see how many tickets have an average ticket price less than $50. That's one way. This can give you more specific prices. Alright, so we're going to be interpreting data. Data from a frequency table can be displayed on a histogram. A histogram is a type of bar graph used to display numerical data that have been organized into equal intervals. These intervals allow you to see the frequency distribution of the data, or how many pieces of data are in each interval. So if you notice, the frequency or the intervals are all equal. They're constant. They're $24.99 a piece. The difference, and it has to be like that for each interval. That's for all the histograms. They have to be constant. So 25 to 49.99, 50 to 74.99. That's all a difference of 24.99. If you notice, there's no space between bars, and these are also constant. So this one's by 2s. All the bars have the same width. And here, there is none, so it's going to have a height of 0. So example 1. Refer to the histogram above. Describe the histogram. How many remote control airplanes cost less than $100? So if I want to go less than $100, I'm going to be doing everything on the left side of this line. So that's $99.99. Here's 1. That's 7 and 9. So we've add all those together. Hold up. I'm sorry, I read that wrong. Is that how many cost at least 100? So I'm going to be doing everything on the right side. So on the right side, I have 2 and 1. So 2 remote control airplanes have prices between 100 and 120. Then we have another one between 150 and 175, or 174.99. So we have 2 plus 1, so we have at least 3 that were priced to at least $100. How many remote control airplanes cost less than 75? So now we're going to be looking here, and less, so we're at 7 and 9. So the one that's less than $75 is going to be 7 plus 9 equals 16 planes. So we're going to be learning how to construct a histogram. Example 2. The table shows the number of daily visitors to selected state parks. Draw a histogram to represent the data. So first, we have all the information, and they moved it to a frequency table. So it has tallies and frequencies, and we have all of our intervals by 49. So we have all of our visitors on the bottom, and then the frequency on the left. So from 100 to 149, we had 2. And then I'm gonna put that right there. From 150 to 199, we had 7. And then from 200 to 249, we had 8. From 250 to 299, we have 1. 300 to 349, we're at 1, and then there we're at 1. I'm going to try my best to color these. I don't have a smaller highlighter, so I apologize. So yes, we did make it pretty close, not to scale. So go ahead and try B. So we have to take the test scores, and we're going to make use this information for an interval table. So I see we have 4 spaces. I see numbers in my 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. So my scores, I'm going to go 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. And I'm going to tally them up. So here's my data. So I have 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. And the numbers have all the way up to, I'm going to go to 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 60 to 69, I have 2. 70 to 79, I have 5. 80 to 89, we have 10. And 90 to 99, we have 11. And I believe that will be the end of our lesson, because all we have left is the guided practice. And so thank you for watching.